Hey all, thanks for coming back to the Lakeman Learning channel. Today we're doing a little bit something different. As you've seen on previous videos, you've met the other part of Lakeman Learning, Keith. I'm the other part, I'm Kevin. Um, Today what we're going to do is look into what they call the YouTube downloader. If you don't know what the YouTube downloader is, it is a piece of software that you can use to download your favorite YouTube videos, favorite songs into MP3, MP4s, download them onto your system and transfer them to your phone. Listen to it on your go or watch the videos. If you're looking at traveling and you want something to watch and you don't want to use your data up, or you don't have access to Wi-Fi, you've got this program where you can download the videos from a favorite YouTuber or things like that from YouTube, where you can then watch, as I say, on the go. So here we are. As you've seen, I went to Google. I put in YouTube downloader. You do get quite a few options there, which you can see. So I went to this one here, youtubedownloader.com. Okay, so this is the site. So YouTuber downloader for Windows. Fast and lightweight app with built-in search. As I mentioned, you can download the full HD, 4K, 8K, MP3s, MP4s, depending on what you're looking at. If you're wanting to download a video or an audio file. It is a free download software, or you can subscribe onto it for $1.49. Some of the reasons why it says that you should try the product: you don't get any annoying ads anymore while you're watching. If it's a lengthy video, it cuts out all them ads, so you don't have to worry about skipping them or watching them while going through the videos or the music. You can keep a backup of it on your drive if you want to watch it again, or if it's music, keeping it in a playlist. So there's quite a few different options there, which you can see. There is a little bit of a video here to show what the YouTube downloader is, which I'll play now. There you go, guys. So that's just a little bit of the video that the YouTube downloader site has on. So it says now, why not give it a try? Okay, so let's press the download button. So here we go. So it brings up your download is starting. So as you can see in the down left hand side there, the YouTube downloader has downloaded. So when you download it, all you do is you just click the exe file to install, and then you'll come up with the setup wizard. So you would just press next, accept. You can read through. On these here, it's just to install different antiviruses and add-ons onto your current browsers. But I don't want either one of them because I've got a different antivirus on, and I'm happy with the add-ons I've already got. So just press decline. So here we go. So this is just the install wizard, just downloading it so that we can install it. So once this is done, it'll say installing. There you go. And then once it's done, it will load it up. Okay, so I'm getting an error message on here as because I've already installed the program beforehand. So I was just showing you guys how to find it, how to download it, and go from there. So let's get that closed down and get that closed down. So as you can see, I already have YouTube open. So if we just minimize this a second, and then if we just click OK, close that down, minimize this. So here you can see the free YouTube downloader. So if we just double click on that and open it up. So here you go, guys. So this is what the YouTube downloader looks like. So as you can see, it has the address bar where you would put the URL of the YouTube channel for the video or the song. You do get two options. So if we just, oh, wrong one. So if we just do this and just pull this across here. So say you're looking for a video on how to make a YouTube channel. Okay, so you pull this up and you would get a list. So let's say we go for the top one here, 3 years ago. It says it's 2019 beginner guide. Okay, so if we click this, it will bring the video. Let's start the ads. Well, let's.
How's it going, everybody? This is Crow, and in this.
Okay, so I'm just going to pause the video because we don't need to watch it. I'll show you why. So here you can see the URL. Okay, so if you just copy that, right click and press copy. As you can see in the right hand side here in the YouTube downloader, when you right click it and press copy on the YouTube channel, it will automatically update it in the URL box on the YouTube downloader. So it will give you two options. However, this is saying the video supports higher quality. Alright, so basically you can download it as 1080, or you get options to downgrade it depending on what type of device you want it on. If you want it on the computer, on your phone, depending on if your phone supports HD 1080p, or you can convert it into AVI, or you can download it as a music file. So what I'm going to do is, with it being a video of someone talking on how to make a YouTube channel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the MP4 as 1080. So you just click on that, and as you can see, it is downloading it here. So it does give you the ETA, the format, the size, the resolution, how quick it's downloading, and the duration of the video. So what you can do is you can compare the duration on the YouTube downloader to the actual video on screen to make sure that it is the correct length. So once this has finished, it'll go to ETA 0, 0 speed, and then what you would do is, depending on how you downloaded it, if you would done it as an audio file or a video file, you would select either one. Where I downloaded it as a video. So let's have a look. So if I click my video files, this should, in theory, have downloaded this YouTube channel, how to make a YouTube channel, onto my video files. So let's go. Let's have a look. So there you go. So if you look at this screen on here, it is similar to the one that's on the YouTube channel. So if I double click it.
How's it going, everybody? This is Crow, and in this video, I'm gonna.
There you go. So looking at this, it downloaded the video perfectly fine. So if we just skip through it a little bit, it'll show you the video has downloaded very in HD. It does work with all sorts of different things. Now, let's say we wanted it as an audio file and we didn't want to watch the video, we just wanted to listen to it and go from there. Sorry about that. So if I press the download button, so as you can see in the download file, in the video file, it brings up temporary files. So it's downloading it pretty quickly, which is good. So if I go to my audio files, it's saying that the file is empty, but there you go. So it is finished, but with the audio one, it does do two steps. It downloads it and then it converts it into an MP3. So There you go. That has been finished, as you can tell by the green tick on the left hand side of it. So if we double click on it now,
How's it going, everybody? This is Crow, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys.
there you go. So it has downloaded it as an audio file, which makes it a lot more easier. It is a lot smaller in size with it being an audio file, so it does take up less space on the phone, computer, MP3 device, whichever you decide to use. So guys, that was the free YouTube downloader. Hopefully like to see you again on another video. I will be producing a little bit more on other software that we have available to offer for free, which is available online. I will be doing my research on them first before I do anything. All I ask is, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn the notification bells on to keep up to date if we upload any videos, which would be a great help. Thanks again, guys. Looking forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye bye.